Hey Jettie Rockers, welcome to Jettie Rocks Fishing, and I'm Mike D. Today we're going to do another catch and cook, and we're going to do a catch and cook lane snapper. And we're going to be making ceviche, which is an awesome way to do fish, especially fresh fish. And lane snapper, in my opinion, and also Summer's opinion, is one of the best fish to use for ceviche. And the other day we were out, Amber got some nice lanes, Summer got a nice lane, and I got a nice lane. So real quick guys, check out these couple clips of us catching some nice fish, and I'll see you guys at the cleaning table, and then we'll see Summer in the kitchen. She's gonna make the ceviche. Amber is hooked up with the first one. Come on. Definitely better than a grunt.
Yeah.
Come on, baby. Nice lane. Get that sucker in. Holy cow. Look at that, guys. That's what we are after. Beautiful lane. High five, babe. Awesome. Alright, Jettie Rockers, I'm hooked up with the first fish this morning. What is this? What is this? This looks like a lane, guys. It looks like a big fat lane. Look at that nice lane. Oh, yeah, buddy. Look at that. First fish, I mean, very first drop, first fish. Doesn't get better than that. Summer's got something good. I got a trigger.
There's two stinging jellyfish here.
Little trigger.
You see them?
Is that better than a grunt?
Uh-huh.
You think?
Yes.
Oh yeah, it's better than a grunt.
There's so many little jellyfish.
Oh, what you got, Summer? That's a big old lane. Summer, come on, get him up here. Summer got a nice lane, guys. Look at all these jellyfish. That's a big lane, Summer. Summer. Look at that lane. High five, kid.
It hurts.
That's awesome.
Why is there so many jellyfish?
Look at
it's
all.
a jellyfish apocalypse.
Look at all those jellyfish. Jellyfish apocalypse, she says. Nice lane, guys. All right, guys. We got our lane snapper here. We'll go ahead and clean them up real quick, so we can do a lane snapper catch and cook. Summer. She's going to make us some lane snapper ceviche, which she absolutely loves. It's one of her favorite things to eat. So she's excited to do this for y'all. And when she caught this lane snapper, it was the first thing she said to me. She goes, "Oh, are we going to do ceviche?" I said, "Yes, we can." So we're just going to fillet it off the old easy way. Just make an incision behind the head, just flip your knife and go all the way down. Again, right here, flip that knife, go all the way down. There you go. I'm gonna be saving these bodies for my crab traps, and we'll just run our knife right along the skin here, just like that. Comes out really nice. See here where the rib cage comes. Make an incision. That, no pin bones. So we're good. This is a really nice piece of lane snapper fillet, guys. I'll skin this other one. And if you guys aren't familiar with ceviche, basically what it is, it's a salad made with raw fish that you kind of cook it with the lemon juice and lime juice that's in it. You chemically cook it, but you do not cook it with heat, and it is absolutely delicious. All right, guys, well, we got our lane snappers going right here. I'm gonna finish this other one, and I'll see you guys in the kitchen with Summer. All right, Jettie Rockers, we're in the kitchen. We got our lane snapper here. And this is all the ingredients we're going to need for the ceviche. We got 1 red onion, we got a red bell pepper, green bell pepper, an orange bell pepper, and a yellow bell pepper. We also have some cherry tomatoes, we got some cilantro, got a large cucumber, nice jalapeno pepper, some limes, and some lemon juice. So we're going to go ahead and get these all cut up, and then Summer's going to make the ceviche. Okay guys, we got everything cut up. We got our fish cut up in little bite-sized pieces, about like that. We got all the peppers cut up, the onions, the cucumber, the cilantro, our jalapeno. We got some tomatoes. We're going to put a little bit of tomatoes in there because Summer does not like tomatoes very much. We got our fresh squeezed lime juice and some lemon juice. And also we have some salt and pepper that we're going to put in to taste. Alright, Summer's got her JRF shirt on, her Tight Lines Y'all shirt. And now she's going to make some ceviche. So the first thing she's going to do, she's going to put the fish in the big yellow bowl. There we go. And then she's going to add the lime and the lemon juice. And she's going to stir that around just a little bit. Okay, now that we got the fish all coated with the lemon juice, we're going to go ahead and put the peppers in. Alright, and the jalapenos. Okay, and we're going to stir that all around, mix it up really good. Alright, we got the peppers all in there mixed real good, so now we're going to add the cilantro, the red onion, and the cucumber, and the tomatoes that Summer doesn't like. Okay, she's going to mix that all around. Alright guys, she's got it all mixed up, and it looks really, really good. It's absolutely delicious, and it smells so awesome it's not even funny. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to add some salt. I'm just going to do this to taste. Pretty much all of this is just done to taste. Whatever you like. Alright guys, we got everything finally mixed together. I'm going to go ahead and just taste it, make sure that we got enough salt and pepper in it. Man, that's awesome. I like it like this, and I like it after it sits in the refrigerator. But typically what Amber does is after she makes it, she puts it in the refrigerator and lets it sit in there for at least 2 hours, up to however long you want it in there all day. And then we'll eat it on little pieces of bread. Well, you'll see that at the end. But this is basically how you make ceviche, guys. It's a pretty easy dish. It's very good. It's very healthy for you. And it's absolutely delicious. Alright guys, well ceviche's been in the refrigerator for about 3 hours. This is what we got. It's all melded together. And let it sit overnight, it even tastes even better. And what we did is we took some French bread and cut them in little pieces and toasted them in the oven. And you pile it on the French bread kind of like this. Alright, we're going to try it out. Man. That stuff is incredible. It's such an easy thing to make, and it is absolutely delicious. I mean, it is outstanding. You can make it with pretty much any saltwater fish. I even have heard some people doing it with freshwater fish. But it's a good rule of thumb not to eat freshwater fish raw, because they do carry some parasites. But saltwater fish, most saltwater fish are absolutely okay to eat raw. And yes, it is cooked a little bit with the lemon juice and the lime juice. You do have a chemical cook with this. But for me personally, I'm only going to use fish that I know are absolutely good to eat raw. Like the lane snapper, it's outstanding. I mean, it's excellent sushi if you want to do sashimi style. It's incredible, and it is amazing like this. Isn't this your favorite ceviche? It's her favorite ceviche. As soon as we caught the lane snapper, that was the first thing she wanted to do with it. Well, I want to thank you guys very much for joining us today for dinner and joining us on all the trips that we do. You guys are awesome. And I want to thank you all for subscribing to this channel. You guys are amazing, and I appreciate each and every one of you all very much. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that little bell for notifications. Until we get to see you guys again soon here on the water, tight lines, Jettie Rockers. Hey Jettie Rockers, thank you very much for watching this video. I'd like to invite you all to go follow me on my Facebook page at Jettie Rocks Fishing, and also my Instagram page. I also have a JRF apparel page, which will send you a link to my Teespring page where I have some cool shirts and some mugs. I appreciate you guys very much. Well, check out the description in the bottom of this video. I'll have the links. Tight lines, Jettie Rockers.